Watching the people, Vybz Kartel, chip out on a flight right about now. You wanna see a private jet settings, you understand? You wanna see you from behind bars, straight in a private jet. Yo, the struggle is real. Me crocodile tail.
Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I'm badness. Our world, you know, man. Let's say badness there, no? No? Oh. That's my baby right there.
Skyline.
Good. John Gaza Nation. After 12 years. Back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. No? Oh.
Well, when them say freedom, a man say I'm free like a bird. And literally I sure say I'm free like a bird. Sky high. Right, that's the thing there. Any of my beautiful people, let me know what you guys think. Yo, the flight is real. Crocodile tail.
This is Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Herbs. And we have a comprehensive list of herbs here for you. And we are the #1 herb shops here in the UK.
#1.
All here at Royal Maroon Herbs, 48 Rye Lane, Peckham, London, England.
Royal Maroon Herbs. They are the #1 herb shop here in the UK. You can find them on every available social media platform as well. Just search Royal Maroon Herbs. Go and get your herbs right about now. Because you don't know, herbs is the healing of the nation.